Howdy folks, TJ here. Today is the day. The first new Apple product that I purchased for myself for a while. So a fresh unboxing with cellophane wrap or whatever they call it. Something for me. Now I did open 2 years ago now, iPhone 12 for my wife. So she was able to enjoy something new from Apple, and I guess what's hers is hers and what mine is hers. Yeah, something like that. So this one's for me. If you've been watching my videos, I had to say goodbye. Well, kind of. I'm going to keep it because I'm not going to throw away something that cost me $3,000, and I could probably get it repaired for $500 after I buy some new video cards or old used video cards for my Mac Pro. And then I did an unboxing of the Kensington dock, studio dock, that this iPad Air, I've got to try to remember all the names here, will go on to. But this is going to be strictly an unboxing. And then at a future video, I will make one where I'm going to actually use it for the first time in my desktop setup. I'm not going to do a complete turning it on for the first time. You've probably seen a bazillion videos like that. And you've probably seen a bazillion videos of an unboxing. But this is for my own memory too. Because it's been ages since I've purchased something brand spanking new. I'm looking at the back of the box and it does say iPad Air 5th generation Wi-Fi. So I think I got the right product. So as long as it's the blue color. So the box comes as such. It's got plastic wrap all around it, and there is a little, oh look, it's got a little flippy here so I can open it up. So it's actually maybe a little easier to open up when I open it. I don't have to put a pair of scissors in there. But I did have a whopping 2 pieces of bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Cool. So let's... Okay, so that opened nice and like a banana. Banana. Oh, more banana. Okay, so only this side and this... Oh, it's got the, whatchamacallit, static cling. Don't touch any SD cards right now that are bare gold spikes where you can touch them and zap stuff. So this opened up nice and easy. I didn't have to stick a pair of nice knives in there, so that's cool. Let's, the side of the box says iPad Air, and it is in a nice, colorful blue color. And then, of course, the front of the... or side has the Apple logo. The bottom's got the Apple logo. The back just says 256 gigabyte. I did splurge. Initially, I ordered the 64 gigabyte model, and then I saw a lot of huffing and puffing from people. Might have been old news, but some people saying that they don't feel that the 64 gigabyte is going to run the extended external monitor and the whole new desktop experience properly. So it worried me a little bit, so I canceled it and reordered the 256. Probably needed the extra memory anyway since I'm doing videos on this. So let's go ahead and set this down here. Is there any... box! Okay, inside the box. Top has the iPad nestled right in the top there. And it's got a little... thing for me to grab right here to pull it out. I need to be careful because there's no protection on this yet. Let's set this down here. Inside the box is probably the typical little sticker. So it says designed by Apple. So you pull this out, and inside it does have, oh shit! Son of a bitch, I'm already dropping stuff. See? You get all excited and you don't pay attention and hold shit in. That was here. And I do have a cable. So it's got a USB. I've been thinking of UPS all day because this was coming in from UPS. C-to-C cable and a power adapter. So cool. Next, this little booklet thingy here probably has your typical stickers. Was it the Mac Pro that came with black stickers? I don't remember if mine did, because I purchased it used. I think it might have. I don't remember. iPad Air, a little booklet. It's only a whopping 2 pagers, and it's very slick material. And it's got some pictures inside. Welcome to iPad Air, top button and Touch ID. So it's giving you the specifics of a couple of buttons, and on the back there's a tip thing. It says tips. Check out the tips app, and it gives you a URL. Okay, anything else in here? Oh yeah, there should be. White stickers. So again, is that some? Is it only the Mac Pro 2013 that had black Apple stickers, and everything else has always been white? I don't know. Something to that effect. Is there anything else in here? No. That's a very. It's got a thick carcass thing in here, but there's barely anything in there. I guess they had to fill it with stuff. Yeah, there's not much in here. But they gave it some backbone. That's cool. Okay, so now to the good part. I want to put these back in here, though. I'm savoring every step of the way. So, I don't want to drop this. So, this is going to... So, I'm going to pull this. I'm going to go get a towel. Damn it, I'm going to get a towel. Do I have a towel? Hold on a second. Because, you know, when you get older, you get klutzy. And when you get klutzy, you drop shit. Can you even hear me anymore? I don't know. Yeah. See, if you're a young whippersnapper, you got good dexterity, you can see stuff before you do it. When you get older, you kind of get lost. No, not that bad, but yeah, you do, a little bit. Okay. But see, I'm smart. A young lad wouldn't have thought of this. They would have just started pillaging through. Oh. Look at this. The beautiful blue color. I don't know if this is going to even pick up on it, but it is a gorgeous blue color. And I could slip it right out. I'm going to look at it first. I'm greedy. I'm selfish. Oh, that blue is gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to hold it really tight. Can you see the blue? From a few different angles, I'll just kind of hold it. Few different, because the lighting will probably... But it is not a light blue, not a dark blue, but it's a very gorgeous, not midnight blue. I don't know what they call it blue, but it's blue. One of our cats' name is Blue, but it's B-L-E-U, the spelling. We had to be hippie that way. I don't know. This thing is gorgeous. I'm spitting all over it already. It's mine for sure. It does say iPad Air on the back, and it's got the first iPad I've ever had that has the little power things here for the Magic Keyboard. When I actually do my other video, I will find our iPad 1 and kind of just do a side-by-side, but this thing is gorgeous. It's very lightweight, very thin. I mean, that's like McDonald's French fry thin. Very thin, but it feels very durable still. I'm just kind of doing a little bit of, feeling. I'm not going to flex and break it like some nut. This thing is gorgeous. I can't wait to turn it on for the first time. I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to go savor, get things set up on my desk, and then I'll set it up. But quick unboxing. iPad Air 5th generation. Today is Black Friday. My wife's out walking the dog. I decided to splurge a little bit more, and I purchased an Apple Pencil 2. I didn't quite have it in me to spend $300 on the Magic Keyboard thing. Maybe that's a future gift. Oh, the dog's staring at me right now. She's like, ooh, iPad. Can I chew on it? Okay, so that is iPad Air in all of its glory. Thanks for watching the video. Next video to come up will be me setting things up on my desk. Thanks for watching. Bye.